Hey guys, welcome back to JDUB Woodworks. So in today's video, I've got this piece of driftwood right here. I'm just gonna go through a basic carve and sand on this thing. Have no idea what I'm gonna create. It'll just be abstract for sure, and see what kind of mess we can make today, all right? Let's go. All right, let's take a look. So inside here, this is super brittle, cracked, very soft. All that's got to come out, right? So, oh yeah, all of that's got to come out of here. But out here on the side, it's a little bit more stable. Over here too, up here is good, but just down in here, at the lower part, I don't know about this guy right in here. We'll have to see. I'm gonna probably put resin in there anyway, because that crack could be pretty significant coming over here onto this side. If you see that, this one too. So this is definitely gonna be a resin project inside. But you get the general idea of where I'm at right now. So this thing's, talk about making a mess. This thing is a mess. So I want to show you, there's this spongy stuff right in here, right? And it's you can see it layered through the grain of the wood. So some kind of fungus is all up in there, which has made this so unstable, very, very soft. And you can see, I'm just kind of pushing it in there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all that out. I don't know. That whole piece broke off. It was so thin and brittle, but this seems to be okay right here. So we'll see. That's what I was afraid of. All right, let's look and see what we got. It's just shot in there. You can see that fungus is all throughout. It's up in here too. You can see it. And let's see. Oh yeah, see? That's a good picture actually. That's probably what killed this tree, I would think. I don't see a lot of wormholes. I just see this fungus. Now that could have happened after the tree fell. You know, picked it up in the water or on the beach. Dang it. Well, that's why working with driftwood is so much fun. It actually is a lot of fun. You just got to learn how to tolerate certain things and be patient. All right. Well, normally I say bonfires make me sad, but this is gonna go in the fire. Well, you can't win them all, can you? So that's a little frustrating because I've spent the better part of 2 hours on this piece, but I think it captures pretty much the difficulty in working with those kind of pieces of wood. Don't get frustrated when it's happening to you. Sometimes you can figure out another way to use the piece. That piece is just going to be toast because that fungus is embedded throughout all of it, right? But I got a storage shed full of driftwood, so there's more projects. We'll see you next time.